Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. Also to mention, I started some new YouTube channels, so be sure to check them out in the description below. Alright, so what are we going to be doing today? Well, today we'll be making pigtail. I have to boil this pigtail, dasheen, Christophine, big leaf thyme, sweet basil, green bananas, onion, tanya, sweet potato, carrot, garlic, seasoning peppers. Our boiled pigtail, aromatics, our veggies and ground provision. Okay, so now we're going to add our salted pigtail to our coconut milk in order to pressure cook. Okay, so now that our pigtail is nice and soft, we're now going to proceed putting our soup together. Here I'm adding some green seasoning. Gonna add some dried thyme to this. I decided to add a dried chili. Of course, this is optional. I'm also going to add Mrs. Dash garlic and herb seasoning blend as well.